Hello, my name is Milind Deshmukh and my today's technical topic is constructor in Java. So as we know, constructor is a special type of method in Java uh, which has the same name with the name of class. So constructor is the method which get called or which get created when we create the object of that constructor. So the name of the constructor is similar to the name of that class. So first of all, we will try to understand the what are the different types of constructor and how it works. So when we create or when we declare any class or when we create any class in our Java program, and inside our or when we create the instance of that class, that is the object of that class. So after at the instance when we create the object, at that instance the method get a call. So this is how the method get the constructor get called. And constructor is nothing but a method which have the same name as the name of class. So there are the different types of constructor in the Java. So we will discuss in our today's video. So there are the some type of constructor are given as first is a default constructor, another one is a parameterized constructor, and another one is a copy constructor. So there are the different types of the constructor in the Java. So we will try to understand individually what are the in brief. So means what are these types. So the default constructor is the constructor when we do not initialize the constructor in our class, but when we create the object of that class, the constructor get called means inside our program, but it is not means initialized in our program. So this is how the means our means constructor get executed. So we will try to understand it with an example. So we have the name of class, we have the class having the name animal. So and in our public class I have created the object of that animal class, but I do not created the constructor. But internally the constructor get created and it get called. So this is how the constructor works. And the another one is a means no, no parameterized constructor, means when we create the constructor in our Java program, so at that instance we do not provide the parameter to that constructor. For example, I have created the animal class, and I have created the object that is the name of dog in my public class. So I do not provide any parameter to the constructor. So at that time, so this is the no parameters constructor. And there is one another part in the constructor, that is we use the new keyword which is the result keyword in Java to create the constructor in Java. So by using the new keyword, we call the constructor in the Java. And the another one is the parameterized constructor. So parameterized constructor is nothing but so when we create the constructor, so at the time of so means when we create constructor, and inside our public class when we create the instance means the object of that class. So at that time means we can call or when we create the object of that class, at that time we can provide the parameter to that constructor. So we will try to understand with an example. Means I have the methods so I have a class name as the means the arithmetic operation. And uh, when I means when I create the object of that class, I provide the two parameter, that is 10 and 20. So constructor will receive the two parameters 10 and 20, and it will perform the action on using this two parameters. So it will convert into the variable and it will use in that program. So this is about the parameterized constructor. And the as we already discussed, the default constructor is the constructor that which we do not create in our body, but it get created internally. And there is one another point about the constructor, that is the constructor, we cannot declare constructor that is static, final, and abstract in our Java program. So it was all about the constructor. Thank you.